concept color for the cut. And this is the finished product right here. And now let's section out and prepare. You can see diagonal forward sections starting at the hairline and then taking that right under the occipital. So we're sectioning out that whole front and back. Lumen Play, black noir and metallic silver, the only two color used in the entire application. All right, we're going to start at the left rear quadrant. You can see that I'm carefully starting right at that root section and applying even saturation throughout. Crucial to make sure you have even saturation. I like to even work it through with my hands, and then I like to grab a comb and comb everything through to make sure everything is saturated. You could even see me go underneath that section as well. And there's the comb, working it through from roots to ends. All right, starting on the right rear quadrant, same exact thing. Starting at the root carefully, not touching the section above, just working on that bottom. Once I work out that root, I'm going to go underneath and hit the root underneath to make sure. And now I'm just continually saturating the color within the hair, grabbing the comb, combing it through, make sure I have enough color to saturate evenly. All right, now we can get right to the side. I'm going to start on the front hairline. We're going to start with a horizontal section. And I just want to work carefully through this entire area as well. It is crucial not to touch the hair above it, of course. We only want to work within that hairline. So I like breaking it down within sections. So the first section is horizontal, and now I'm just slicing sections. Another horizontal section, slicing, again, carefully at the root, working it through. I really love using the Goldwell thermal foils. It is awesome. This is a great way. Okay, once that's in, bam. Now we're at that front hairline. And you do have to follow the contour of the head. So you can see me work at the root and then work underneath that root. Now I'm going to grab a thermal foil and just follow the shape of the head. And again, we're going to continue to apply the color. You can see that I applied some of the color on the foil before the hair is even on it. Again, that gives us even saturation. All right, same exact process on the opposite side. I'm going to take a horizontal section. I'm going to start at the root. And we are going to work our way through the mid section of the shaft and then right through the ends, comb it through, grab a thermal foil. This is such a nice, easy process to give your client a killer look, really contemporary, modern, and something fresh. Something to give that lob a little bit of spiciness. Now we decided to go with a low light, but you can definitely do the opposite. You can do this whole process with a highlight instead of a low light, or just an accent color of your choice. Okay, we're cleaning up that area, and bam, done. Thermal foils by Goldwell is my favorite go-to for this stuff. Okay, now we just have the top and the sides. You guys, this is so easy. We're going to separate at the parietal ridge. I'm going to take a slice and literally we are going to balayage. Look at that. Soft balayage, working from the bottom. And then I'm using soft strokes on the sides. A little bit in the middle, stroking up on a vertical, soft strokes as we work up. Bam. Take the foil and put it right over. This is going to be a little bit lighter than the base color we just did around the hairline. Now there's only one more section. It's a horizontal section at the very top of that parting. You could weave it or you don't have to weave it. And there you go, working from the bottom up. And now you'll see the brush stroke go vertical. And I'm just going to do whatever feels right here. I just want to make sure I have nice soft strokes. Thermal foil, done. Now we just have one more side, 2 more sections to balayage, and this application is complete. Right at the parietal ridge, we're going to take our section. Yep, right there. We're going to take a nice slice in here of a horizontal section. You could weave it. I did not weave this. Use the board. Working from the bottom up. Vertical strokes. Working it through. Done deal. It's going to give it a nice, beautiful feel along with our darker base underneath. Now just slice that top. Last section. And here we go. Get the board ready. Work from the bottom out. And now, vertically the brush goes. Soft strokes. And just softly balayaging this until it feels right. And done deal. I hope you guys absolutely love this application. It is one of my favorites.
Roll the dice, baby.